Hi, my name is Neil Horry, and this is my Milestone 1 Production Possibility Frontier. In this milestone, my two goods that I can produce are wooden chairs and metal chairs. The resources for the wooden chair is going to be wood, glue, a saw, and nails. For the metal chair, the resources are going to be rivets, metal, and a rivet gun. I can produce 5 wooden chairs per hour and 10 metal chairs per hour. The production possibility frontier for 1 hour is on this axis. We have wooden chairs, and if I use all of my resources and allocate all of my time in that hour, I can produce 5 wooden chairs. And then if I did the same thing, if I did the opposite thing with the metal chairs, I would produce 10 chairs. If I allocate all of my resources and all of my time, 10 chairs would be produced metal. Now, in a 8-hour workday, I can produce. Let's see. In an 8-hour workday, I can produce 40 wooden chairs and no metal chairs if I allocate all my time towards the wooden chairs. But then if I allocate all of my time to the metal chairs, I can produce 0 wooden chairs but 80 metal chairs. And then as you can see here, if I did 4 hours wooden chairs and 4 hours metal chairs, it would be 20 and 40 my production. And 6-hour wooden chairs, 2 hours metal chairs, it would be 30 and 20. Next, I'm going to plot these lines on my my PPF. This is the chart for the 8-hour period. We have here on this axis, we have 80 chairs that were made. If I allocated all of my time within one day, the 8-hour period, I would make 80 chairs. And then for the wooden chairs, I would make 40 if I allocated all of my time. And as you can see, these A, B, C, and D correlate to these lines on this line on the graph. If I were to pick a point, let's say D, this point right here means that it's an efficient point. All these are efficient because they're on the line, which means that it's using the scarce resources efficiently. If there was a point that was down here, it would be feasible but inefficient, which means that the resources aren't being used to their potential. If there was a point out here somewhere, then that point we cannot achieve that goal without new technological advances or something along those sorts. Now, a part of this assignment is to make a shift in the graph just for one of them. So for that, the shift that happened here was that there was a new wood laser saw that measures and cuts. So with this new saw, I'm able to produce more wooden chairs per hour, but it has no effect on the metal chairs because I can't use the wooden saw on the metal chairs. So that would make it so that I am able to produce 5 more per hour, which would make it 10 wooden chairs per hour. So in an 8-hour period, I would be able to produce 80 wooden chairs and no metal chairs because this is 0 metal but 80 wooden chairs.